Hello everybody, today we're gonna make a Nezuko box. So let's go. I got this reference from Google. I will put here. So I will use a box. Okay, we'll make 3 subdivisions. Control V and make something like this. Then I will press Control Alt B, extrude face along the normals. There you go. I will make another cube. I can scale it. We'll duplicate and move it just in case if I need it again. Select both and press Ctrl minus to make a hole. I will turn back this and reset the location. We scale in Y and then set this cap here, this door. We'll select this face, we'll extrude down, then I will make a loop selection pressing Alt and left click, press Alt E and extrude select along the normals. Maybe a little more. Wheel struning. We'll make a mirror in Z axis. Maybe I'll scale up both cubes. Okay, it's looking good. We'll select this mesh, control down, control plus, Then I will select and press P on the keyboard. Okay, I got this mesh. Will the same for this. Press A, select mesh, then cylinder, vertices 8, select the radius to down and the depth. Will increase in 12. Okay, with that I will rotate in Y 90 degrees. Press S to scale and move it in Z axis. And move it to here. Maybe just a little. I will come back to select this one. And move it at the same time. Well, to down, I will isolate this and delete these faces because I don't gonna use. Okay, with this I will press Alt D and press C to move it down in Z axis. Select both, press Alt D, C, constrain the movement in the Z axis and do the same, pressing Ctrl R. Okay. I will make a loop cut here and we'll select this face and extrude it up to get a little more detail. We'll do the same with this. Select this face, extrude it. Select these meshes and move it. It has not the same distance, so I will go to press Shift Z to see through and select this mesh, this vertex, I'm sorry, then press SX0 and it will move to the same. So we'll do this. No, everything is fine. Okay, I need to move this one as well. Okay. So what else? This device. So we'll select this. We'll delete this face for a moment, press X and then vertices. Press 2, select edges and select this edge and press F. So with this I will need to make some cuts, or maybe not. Now let's gonna call a cube, scale it, move it down in Z axis. Move it to here. We'll apply the scale. Okay, I will need to move this loop cut and then extrude a little. Okay, you can set a bevel if you want. I will reset the 3D cursor to the center, pressing Shift C. Then with selecting this object, maybe I will scale. That looks much better. So I will move the origin, go to select the object in object mode, select object, set origin to 3D cursor, then apply a mirror in X and in Y. I will do the same with to the top, so use another mirror in Z axis. Okay, I need this little device. We'll call a plane, rotate in 90 in X, then I will move to here. Okay, I will isolate in front view, then go to edit mode, select vertex mode, and I will try to draw this pressing alt D to duplicate the vertex. Okay, I have to fix this. I will delete this vertex, this one, and select the both, press M to the last. Press F, select everything, press F again to connect everything. Subdivide this, selecting two vertex, right click, subdivide. Some vertex have moved, so I will select everything, press S, Y, and 0 to move everything in 0 Y axis. And let's go back to pressing slash again to exit the isolate. I will move forward to here, then I will apply a modifier generate solidify. Okay, I will scale a little more. I think it's fine. So with the 3D cursor in in the center of the word. I will take a mirror and I have to do before reset the origin point to the center. So with this selection, go to object, set origin to the 3D cursor and select a mirror to mirror in X and Y. I forget to put these little dots. I will go to this object. I will press right click to set the 3D cursor here. Press Shift A and select the cylinder again. Rotate in X 90 degrees and scale. Move to here. I will rotate the camera to see where is this. It looks fine. So I will set this here and duplicate it. Set another to here. It will be applying to the others because we are using the mirror modifier. Okay, I need to do this handle, so we'll use a cube again. I will reset in Z axis, scale it in Y and Z, remove this face I don't gonna use, scale. Okay, apply the scale, pressing Shift A, select these corners and press Shift B, move your scroll up. Good. Right click, shade smooth. And then I will press Shift A, select a curve, Bezier or Bezier, rotate it in Z axis and then in X axis. Go to the right view, scale it. I need to rotate again in Z axis. Move to here, scale a little. Go to edit mode and rotate this to here and this to here. Select both. Press Shift and Y. Okay, I will select these handles. I will need another subdivision. Scale it a little. There we go. We'll go to the Bezier curve option. So I will go to the geometry. We'll go to select the bevel and increase the depth. We'll scale a little more this and increase the depth. We decrease the resolution and the resolution preview. Scale it a little. So I will make an UV unwrapped. So I will change to UV editing. For this curve, go to edit mode, object mode, right click, convert to mesh. Go to the edit mode, select this edge, loop edge, press right and mark scene. Press A, U, and grab angle base. This called Mayo 3. With this add-on, free add-on, I will select the rectify. Scale it a little and move it to here. We'll do the same with this device. We'll select both, Ctrl J, shade the smooth. We'll change the name, handle. Okay. We'll select this door, press Shift A, scale, apply the scale. I have to select these edges. Right click M, A, U, UV on grab. I need another selection. We'll delete this and mark a scene here. Press A, U on grab. Select everything and press rectify. I got one problem here. Forget this one. I don't gonna relax it. I need to do another lap cut. Here. Shift A, U, and grab. I need to unpin this. Then I will make a new unwrap. Okay. Scale down just a little and move to here. Slash again, select this box, but I need to apply this boolean, so we apply the boolean and the hard mirror. No, not yet the mirror. Okay, let's apply the mirror. Select everything, press U and grab with the angle base. Select everything and select rectify. It's not too bad. Okay, let's select this one, U unwrap. I don't like too much. You smart UV unwrap. Mm, okay. I need to fix those, but I need to apply the volume and the mirror. Select these X vertices. I will make another arm grab and it looks much better. I will move to down. Slash again. I will select this, press U and grab angle base. Okay, and the others it will be applied as well. It's the same because I duplicated. Select this mesh, press U and grab Smart UV on project, scale down, select this one in front mode, select everything, press U, project from view, scale it just a little and move it to up. The door, okay. I need this one. Okay, I got it. I think I got everything unwrapped. Yep. So select everything in UV edit. You can use UV and select group island, group, where is it? Pack island. Okay, let's wait. So there you go. Select everything, unpin. We'll select everything up here. I need to move. Now Control C and just scale some of them. Okay, select everything, press just apply all the modifiers who has this one, and you have to apply every modifier. Then select everything, go to file, export in FBX, and select create a folder. And let's go to Substance Painter. So let's create a new project, file, new, file, select, go to the root where you say the file, Nezuko box, open, and okay. So here we'll go to this bake. Here I will go to ID, select mesh ID, bake selected textures. Okay. I need to fix something. Okay, it's in the door. So we'll go come back to Blender, select everything. Everything looks fine. Let me see what's happened. Okay. I will remove these back faces because I will not need it. I will move this door. I will isolate this, and then we'll make some loop cuts. So select this and these ones, press right click M, select this one, right click M. Do the same with for this. These are fine, I think so. Select, hold this, shift, I'm sorry, press A, select everything, then U, select UV and grab base angle. Okay, I need a little more. Oh, okay, I need the another hand, the another side, so I will press and use a mirror modifier, and I will apply the x axis, so I can use just the half of the model. Then press A, U, UV unwrap. There we go. Exit to the isolate, select everything, and I will move everything again. Okay, select everything, file, export, Nezuko FBX, then go to edit, reimport mesh, and bake it again. Yep, looks much better. I will select this wood texture, then I will need a metal. This is good. So select this folder, right click, select add mask with color selection, pick color and select this one, and it will be applied. Yeah, and then I will duplicate this, but I will delete the remove mask. I will apply a new mask, then select selection in faces polygon fill, and in white color press these polygons to paint this. So we got a Nezuko box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. So for the final I will export the texture, go to file, export textures, select a folder to save the textures. I will select a combination that I have, but you can use a Roblox surface appearance. It's almost the same. I forgot to go to the material and uncheck this that I have duplicated. So export, open directory. I got this. We'll go to Blender, select and create a new material. To shading workspace, select principal DF, Ctrl Shift T, select the root of your textures and apply. Now I need the mesh, so go to export mesh, deselect apply triangulation, export, and I will select the root Nezuko substance. To Blender I will hide this just for a moment and go to layout, file, import FBX, select the box that you have export with everything, press M, new collection Nezuko from substance. I'll create this name to save everything here. Then I will select this one, go to material. I got a Nezuko material and I'll select the material shader. Then with everything selected, press Ctrl L and M to apply to the another ones. So this is how you can have this model. Select this one and the door, press Ctrl P and set the parent to the object. The same for this, and select the door, press P, object. So when you select the door you can move it, but right now you have to change the origin point. So press right click here, go to object, set origin to the 3D cursor, and right now you press R and C, you can open and close the